WULF was trending yesterday, the 24th of February 2026, partly down to the strength that Bitcoin was showing, but largely down because of its ongoing pivot into AI and HPC infrastructure and the anticipation of its Q4 2025 earnings tomorrow, the 26th. Revenue is expected to be up 24% year over year. Okay, anticipation is high for the upcoming earnings reports, expected to provide updates on its high performance computing pivots and strategic expansion with major partnerships like like the one it has with Google. Traders are aggressively eyeing $20 level and beyond, fueled by the stock hitting 50, its 52-week high, hitting a 52-week high, and ambitious analyst targets. Morgan Stanley has a target of around $37. The community of investors and traders is actively discussing its high short interest of around 34% or thereabout, and long-term growth potential as an AI infrastructure play amidst varying news on short-term price action. But in the midst of all of this bullish sentiment, some traders are wisely securing gains by taking profits near current levels. Okay, they're all wary of potential pullbacks or increased volatility around earnings around today or thereabout. Okay, so even with the ongoing software and AI infrastructure sell-off that began early this year, early this year, the stock has maintained an uptrend, since late December. As a matter of fact, in the midst of all of that, the stock has maintained an uptrend. It had, I think, would I say this is the most remarkable strength it has shown of late, as I think the whole of this year, going from 11.96 to 16.66. So it has been showing a decent amount of strength, of late. Okay, you can see here, the lows are getting higher. Surely they are getting higher. Um, yeah, the lows are getting higher. We can also notice here the 21-day moving average has been serving as the primary supply line, so primary demand line. We have here one 21st of January, another one here 2nd of February, another one here 19th of February. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that the strength might remain in place up to the close of tomorrow, Thursday the 26th. So this is after that will be then after that we might look there might be a chance of a contraction from that day, from the next day, but might resume the uptrend from Friday the 6th of March. Okay. I guess that is why this is aligning this contraction is aligning with the profit taking that's probably going on right now. Yeah, so the some people are taking profits and they may come back in after the earnings. And here it's saying that from Friday, the 6th of March, you might even go ahead and print fresh 52-week highs all the way towards the end of March. So fingers crossed. If this is what is going to happen, then we have an opportunity from next week, not this week, next week from end of next week or early next week. Here, the projections are saying also that the 40-day moving average is also expected to continue to rise, okay, to serve as a support. Okay, let's see what we have in terms of projections. Projections are saying, let's see what we have. 14.88, 13.80, 13.14. So the algos are currently not projecting anything further because it has gone parabolic, but it has $19. It has actually come close to that projection. That was a previous projection as of middle of December. 18.42 has printed something close to that already to yesterday. Yeah, on this 4 hour chart there are no further upper projections, but we'll see how we'll check other charts. Okay, let's just see what we have on its price pressure momentums. Let's see what they're going to tell us. What it's going to tell us. Okay, let's see what we have. Yeah, stability is expected. Yeah, stability is expected between now and early. And between now and Monday, the 6th of April, stability is expected, not much volatility based on its 10-day moving average. Okay, let's see now. This moving average is gaining roughly 57 cents every day. Let's have a look at the 21-day moving average. 21-day moving average equally stable as well. Equally stable, yeah, up till early April. Let's see. Let's see. The 40-day moving average. On the 40-day moving average, we have, yes, well, to some extent, yeah, pretty much the same thing as well. Yeah, some stability as well. All aligning so far. Short, intermediate, and medium term extrapolations are saying that we should expect to see some stability. Let's have a look at the 200-day moving average. Yes, as well, stability is what we should expect. Okay, so there's a chance that this may well be what may happen. There's a chance this may well be what may happen. So fingers crossed. Let's see what the weekly chart is going to show us. Okay, here we're not looking at strength going all the way. It's here we're looking at the strength it has remaining up till Monday the 9th from the 16th. Which is saying we should expect to see contraction. Okay, so between now and then as well, the stock is expected to trade within this market grid. So we have to sufficiently align what we have here with what we have on the daily chart. So maybe it's yeah, let's see now. But just I think in the short term, that's where this strength is expected to remain in place. Here it's saying up till the 27th of March. Okay, yeah. Well, there must still be a case where we all of this may align. So um, there might still be a case where there might still be a world where they may align. So yeah, okay. We could also try and see what we have in terms of projections here. Let's see what we have. Projections are saying 25.46, 31.19, 34.72. So in the midst of an impending contraction on the weekly chart, high prices are still projected anyway and still being reiterated. Okay, so we'll see how all of this will align. I think we have to um, take this with a pinch of salt. Take this extrapolation with a pinch of salt, with a lot of caution. Yeah, with a lot of caution. Yeah, we can also see here that it's saying that contraction may begin to play out from early April. I think yeah, we don't. They're in a very short term. They don't align. This is the weekly chart is anticipating early contraction, whereas the daily chart is saying that it may come much later on. But I think they still align to some extent. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Just have a look and see what you make of WLF. And thank you very much for watching this video.